Twin steals PS5. Yes, let's venture out into the world. I don't know what can go wrong. Oh, holy cow. Oh, that scared me so bad. Anyways, guys, welcome to the great store of Ikea. Ikea is one of those stores that you just don't ever leave. Ever. I don't know why they would have literal med kits in the Ikea. Like, how many people get injured in Ikea? Like, you try to do kind gestures to these people, but they just don't like your microwave. Just stand perfectly still. The AI can't find you if you are perfectly still. You have no face. What the heck is going on? We're just gonna crawl. We're just gonna nudge our way around. We're just gonna run. I hate this place. I hate this place so much. I mean, if they can take my life, I bet I could take their burgers. Okay, it's just me and my GameCube. There's nothing that can go wrong. We're just gonna hide. We're just gonna stay up here for a while. Oh, it gets me every time. Oh, it gets me every time. Dude, I think you need a leg day to get that even form of body. Like, you're just all arm. Why is their head so freaking massive? Want to honor Bob Ross? The exact paints he used are 100% off. Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you want on a dying meat is someone with 17 subscribers using it. The last time this was done, everyone hit the subscribe button. Wow, are the people at Ikea watching Isicle? No. I don't know how to make those kinds of edits. How convenient. They had the toasters right next to the bathtubs. I named the lamp Jimmy, by the way. Jimmy and his friend Bob. He's actually a doctor, you know. Nardo 911. Oh. And X Drag 3 and King Yeet 1000. Truly scholars and gamers. Okay, safe house with the man made out of med kits. Med kit man. I hope all these pillows are epically made. Epically? I mean, ethically made. Not epically made. Frickin' what? TV Gamer 123. I don't know about you, but I think you're cringe. Sniff. No, you're weird. Get away from me. Take a toaster bath. Why are all the why do all of the bathtubs have toasters right next to them? It's a real missed opportunity. I mean, when you take a toaster bath, your eyes can see a whole new range of colors, but mainly very, very dark shades of gray, and sometimes black. Okay, we're dead. We're totally screwed. We're totally screwed. There's a guy right there. Yes, he died. The toaster bath guy died. I'm all alone. I do not want all of my bones grinded into pasta. And the meatballs. Frick. Dude, look at this guy's gaming setup. Pretty sure that's a microwave. But yeah, He's looking at all the deep fried memes. Get it? Because it's a microwave. Dude, you're like a freaking pancake. Did like one of these couches fall on you and just squish you? Oh no, uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. We're just gonna crouch and sit here till it becomes morning. No! Bro! You're built like a 5-year-old. Parkour. Move that couch. Yeah, I'm a little bit of a gamer. I'm a little bit of a gamer. I'm just a little. Yeah. I'm one of those gamery people. I don't know. Oh man, we're climbing the stairway. If I fall off of this, I will instantly die. We're so high up, the ground unrendered. Let's jump. The heck? This burger is like from a Happy Meal, but I'm not happy. And this is a big boy. Holy cow. It's so freaking huge. And he's gonna turn me into a lasagna. Here he comes. I just want to wake up. I just want to wake up from this nightmare. Tip: do not die. Thank you. I wasn't really thinking about that, but thank you for bringing it to my attention. I will try not to die. Have not seen person in much time. What does that say? Knowledge is power. Wait, here. That's just pixels. We're gonna play the entire video out just like this. Hope you guys don't get nauseous easily. Yes, I too see smog as I enter the Ikea. It's the smoke of the fires that roast the customers of Ikea into meatballs. Let's just go on a nice jog in the middle of the night. What could happen? Okay, we're just gonna leave this game. Yeah, so see you later. Goodbye.